So this is where we started. Right here. So one of the first things we decided was that we wanted to incorporate some designs that were based on our Byzantine manuscript tradition. How are we going to do that? Well, we found that there are a lot of prototypes that have been drawn. Here's an example. Sorry, it's the color's a little dark here, but anyways, you can see. Now, this is a scan out of a book. This is not going to be sufficient for the quality that we're looking for. But this is where we started, and we found an artist who could do this work in vector images. And so by creating a vector image, here you can see a final vector of this design. And let me find a page here where we can see that exact. Those types of headers appear on Sundays, those kind of big headers. Let's see, there you go. So here is it in the text. This was the original scan, a prototype that we found. This is the vector drawing. Then, working with Photoshop, we took the original vector and we added some textures, and we came up with this. This is what ended up in the actual printed book. We wanted to do this for the entire book, and so we began, after we came up with the basic page design that I showed you here, and the idea of placing headers and things like that. By working with this artist actually is, her name is Indira, and she's located in India, and she did these drawings, these initial vector drawings. The reason to do them as vector images means that they are infinitely resizable. We can take this header and change it. It can cover the entire width of a page, and it will not degrade in quality. So that's why we did that. This is what we came up with after we added some texturization. So we did that, and all of these initial drawings, here's another one, for example. This is done in the same way. We took an image from a manuscript and redrew it. We redrew all of these elements, all of these Byzantine design elements. It's a very time-consuming process. All of these elements were done by Indira. So this put us on the way to achieving a higher quality look that we were driving at.